Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a See's Candy unboxing. I have the package right here and I'm going to unbox it so you guys can see what's on the inside. I have my mini scissors here and I'm going to cut this open. Okay, now let's see what's inside. I am super excited for this because I ordered something that I've wanted for a while now. First thing in this package is this. It's all wrapped up so you guys can't see what it is, but I know what it is. So I'm going to unwrap it so you guys can see it. So it just comes in tissue paper and it is a coaster. I think this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is the first time I'm seeing it in real life. Like I said, this package is from See's Candy. I definitely recommend getting their things. I'm actually wearing rings from them right now. These two rings are See's Candy. But I saw these coasters and I decided to order them because I thought they were so pretty. It's like all different colors of sea glass on the inside. We have like blue, greens, clear pieces. This is so pretty, and I got this because I got a whole bunch of new furniture and I don't want to like mess it up, so I thought if I got like a coaster, this would be nice so my furniture doesn't start like getting messed up like I said earlier. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about this. The first time I saw this on their website, I knew I wanted it just because of how pretty it is, so I'm super happy that I finally have this. I'll just do a close-up. As you guys can see, all the little pieces. And this feels like, I thought it was gonna be glass, but it actually feels like it's resin, which is actually really nice because if I drop this, it won't break, which is something I was scared of. I don't know the price of this, so I'll put it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see how much this costs. That's the first thing I ordered. I'm so excited. And it just came wrapped in white tissue paper. And then the next thing that I ordered was, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it comes in this little baggie. It says See's Candy Sea Glass Jewelry, Laguna Beach, California. It just looks like that. It is. So it's just on this little piece of cardboard and it's a little necklace. Pretty sure this is sea glass too, and they just put it on a necklace. And I got the necklace with like a ball chain. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, it just looks like this. It's clear, or I guess you could say white. Each piece is like a different size because it's sea glass, so they're not all going to be exactly the same. I've never seen anything like this, so I think it's super cool. They also had a green one, but I decided to get the white one. I think this one looks super cute for like layering necklaces. I got 3 things. So the next thing that I got was actually another necklace, and it's the same little bag, See's Candy Jewelry, Laguna Beach, California. In the back it has nothing. And something really cool about these little bags is you can reuse them. I like these for when I go traveling and I take jewelry. I put like my rings in here, and if I have more, I put like necklaces in a separate one, and that's just a good way to keep your jewelry from getting all mixed up. So I actually really like these little bags. Inside this one we have another clear, well, I guess it's like clear white, but it's another white little necklace. I got 2 of them because I wanted one for me and one for my niece, so that's why I decided to get 2. This is her Christmas present. I know you're probably thinking Christmas already passed, but I have not seen her yet, so when I give her Christmas present, this is what it's going to be. And I got my other niece, because I have 2 nieces, got my other niece another type of necklace. I think hers is like, no, I don't even remember. I got it like 3 weeks ago. They both got necklaces, but I just decided to order this niece one from See's Candy. So this is the other one, and this is how they look. I think they're so pretty. I definitely recommend checking out their jewelry. They have a lot of different jewelry. They have necklaces, rings, earrings. They even have coasters, so I definitely recommend checking out their stuff. And I'm super excited. I think I'll give her this one, so I'll try this one on so I can show you guys what it looks like. So it just has tape on the back so the necklace doesn't get all tangled. Here's the necklace. So it just looks like this. And then I'm going to put it on. Okay, so I have the necklace on, and this is how it looks. I love it. I think it'd look great if I layer it. I have another necklace on. I have the same length, so it doesn't look that good. This is the necklace I always wear, but Like, look how pretty that looks. I think this is a super pretty necklace. Also, I forgot to say how much these necklaces were. I don't remember the price, so I'll do the same thing that I did with the coaster, and I'll just put the price somewhere on the screen. I'm really excited to give this one to my niece. They're kind of like matching necklaces, even though I didn't really plan that, but yeah, I just thought it was pretty, so I thought she would like it too. I'm pretty sure this is the 18-inch like ball chain, and I think that's the only one that they had on the site. I'm definitely gonna wear this often. They did have a green one, like I said earlier, but I decided to choose white. That way I could wear it with any outfit. Yeah, that is everything I got from Sea Candy, and if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!